Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. Turn your stove to medium-high heat. We're gonna make some spicy curry vegetable Chinese fried rice. Nice and warm. We're gonna add some vegetable cooking oil. Not much. Just like that. A little bit's okay. And then we're gonna quick add in ginger and garlic mint and some samba hot chili sauce as you wish. Stir. Smell so good. Before they start turning to brown, we're gonna add some vegetable. I have some onion, carrot, mushroom, pea pod, broccoli. What else do you have? Balance out the nutrition and the flavor. So if the broccoli too big, split it. And the carrot cut it small. It's easier to cook. We're gonna make this fried rice delicious and flavorful. So if your fire is not high enough, you just increase the heat a little bit higher, that's all. And now, I'm just gonna stir fry the vegetable until crisp. And if you have leftover rice, brown rice, white rice, any kind of rice that you have, will be great for this recipe. This is 100% vegan vegetarian. Make sure your frying pan is nice and warm and hot. Because you can hear the sound, the sizzle sound. I mean, the frying pan is good. Only warm can create a nice flavor. If cold, it's hard to manage your flavor. So now, we're gonna add some cooked white rice. Make sure it's cooked, okay? And this is the leftover rice, still pretty warm. Break the rice apart. No hurry to season the salt and everything else, okay? No hurry. Now we just cook the vegetable and the rice until nice and warm. This is the long grain rice. It's not the sticky rice. Okay? And we're gonna add some curry powder. Like this. Yellow curry powder. Maybe a couple tablespoons. And then some salt. Some salt, pinch of salt, suit your taste, okay? You don't need to measure. The curry powder is like a yellow color. So when you cook it, you will know. You see, start turning yellow. Golden yellow. If you try it, you like it, it's good. If you need more curry flavor, just add more. So this one don't need measuring recipe. Too complicated. Make it simple. Little oil, ginger, garlic in, hot chili in, vegetable stir fry, and then the rice in, a little salt and curry powder. Right? Alright. This is for me, so I don't mind just use my spatula and try it. So good. So good. Perfect. Saltiness good. Curry flavor is good. The rice is nice and dry. It's already warm. So just drizzle some sesame oil. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle like that, okay? Ah, so healthy and delicious. Now, this is just simple recipe, easy, quick to cook, right? Come back from work or working out after gym. You can be creative. You can add any kind of vegetable, do the same process, same step. Stir fry, saute the vegetable, nice and flavor, add the rice in, and curry, salt, and pepper. Little pepper if you want, that's fine. If you like to add some soy sauce, go right ahead. But I like it like this. Guess what? The rice is good, ready to eat. Before you serve, always give the last try. Make sure everything is well balanced. Oh my goodness, so good. I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.